Our website is already live in Canada and all the people out there, yes, all the Canadians can check out and get solution for your problems. Whereas if we talk about our team member, we have a great team member and the expertise who has 20 years of experience in the same field and is an expert in digital world, Mr. Hemant Verma. And our finance and execution is held by Mrs. Malaika Verma. If we talk about the advantages with us, then the computational advantage is definitely more. If we talk about the employees as compared to other companies, we have 2 employees who are actually seeing in them. If we talk about the founders and the foundation, it was set in 2020, whereas trade up to a new phone as well as all other problems. Yes, either it's finding all the mobile phones, all the models of the brands, it's all specifications and every other problem as compared to other brands, we are there with it. Its products is LCD captive touch screen, it's repairing or it's recycling usage. We have all the things inbuilt with us. Whereas if we see other companies, then it would be difficult to say that they provide you all the services. But we definitely plan to provide all the services out there under one roof.